Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Yep.so. This is your AI-powered no-code landing page builder. So maybe you just need one page to promote your new course, your new startup idea, and you don't want to spend money on Squarespace or Wix. So maybe this tool can be a good fit for you because it has good amount of features for a page builder. It has integrations with Airtable, Zapier, and ConvertKit. You can use your custom domains for your landing pages. You can do post-sign-up surveys. You can apply some custom styling and have payment integrations. So let's take a look what features do we have in the lifetime deal. It seems that there is included some kind of AI writer to help you write the content for your landing pages. You can have Stripe and Gumroad payment integration. You can have A/B testing to verify what style of pages works better. You can have feedback surveys, check analytics dashboard. You can integrate with Airtable, ConvertKit, and Zapier. So just an example, maybe after a sign up, you will send some data through Zapier to other tools, or maybe directly to Airtable to collect your leads information. Regarding pricing, license tier 1 will give you 2 domains and 10 landing pages. Starting from license tier 2, you're getting also unlimited email lead form submissions. So we'll see how it works later in the demo. And starting from license tier 3, you're getting unlimited landing pages and 50 custom domains. Okay, so this is the main dashboard. And let's actually start with Explore. So I believe we will have several examples of landing pages, like this one. Let's check another one. Here it is, your call to action buttons, like so. I am redirected to checkout page. Okay, so I believe maybe we even get in the real examples of the pages built on the Yep.so platform. This page promotes upcoming video course and it has payment integration. That's nice. Just out of curiosity, let's check other page. Here it is. The promotion of some chatbot, I believe. So there is a form where you can sign up. So now let's actually create our first page. Okay, let's imagine we would like to promote affiliate marketing video course for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing. So let's start. All right, so let's use this description for our affiliate marketing course and specifically YouTube affiliate marketing course to cover basics, selecting products, mentioning popular affiliate networks and how to promote links on YouTube and etc. This part let's delete and let's create. All right, I think we've got the text for our landing page and also we are getting images generated. That is nice, really nice. And if we click on this icon, we are getting some tips. For example, you can apply some custom formatting, like applying some part of the title in square brackets to apply gradient. So actually, let's try that. Okay, so let's first explore what kind of content we are getting. So first of all, the title, brief description, call to action button. Here is suggested to be added social proof. We can change image. Actually, it kind of resembles the YouTube video. So let's keep it as is. But if we click to change image, I think we can do that. We can search for photos by Unsplash, like so. Or we can upload our own image. Okay, so we're getting some hints about what kind of next section we are getting. This one is about the value you promise to deliver. Okay, below we are suggested to get some testimonials. We're having FAQ section. Let's try to add another. Now it looks like we need to create that ourselves. It is not letting me to generate content here. All right, here we're getting call to action. Okay, let's explore some settings. We can change colors. We can change our URL structure, like so. We get an option for version 2 page design, which is not compatible with Gumroad. Not sure why they didn't enable that in the second version. So we can add sign up form at the header as well. We can upload our image, connect custom domain. There are some page layout options. So let's test that. Here it is, the first one. Here it is, another version. And the third one. Well, those are not drastically different, just a tiny bit. So let's stick with the first one. You can check what kind of form type you will have. In this instance, I have email capture, like so, but we also can have redirect, and we can put a specific URL. So let's say the form type, we will have redirect to this URL. We can have secondary call to action button with this URL. We've added contact form, adding GDPR, privacy setting for Europe. All right. So you can also add post sign up survey, but it is available on a pro version, which is available with AppSumo deal. Also, there is a nice feature that some email will be sent for each sign up. That's nice. We can also ask for donations, and we can add footer links. If needed, you can add some custom JavaScript code, for example, for Google Analytics or other needs. You can embed Calendly invite. All right, so I believe my changes were saved automatically. So let's publish our page on the Yep domain. Okay, it is in progress. All right, so here it is. I've got congratulations message that it took about 15 minutes from start to finish. And actually, yeah, that was a pleasant experience. We're getting some advice how to promote our course, which are actually relevant. All right, so this is the final result. We're getting call to action here. If we click, we are directly down below, and let's click it. And here we are, redirected to configurable link. In my case, it is AppSumo deal summary page for AI table with pros and cons and frequently asked questions and some highlights. So basically, this is how it works. I was able to get content quicker. I've got some images provided, some FAQ section, call to action button. I could spend more time polishing the content and sections to make my landing page more attractive, but main elements are there, even contact form. One small glitch, I can see that this link in the footer is not working correctly, but I don't think it is a big issue. All right, so yeah, in short, that's it. That's how you can build landing pages with Yep.so. so quickly. So moving to the conclusion, if you're looking for a product to create your landing pages quickly, please try Yep.so so you can test your startup ideas or promote your video course or whatever you need. I think it provides the right amount of functionality to not bother you with too much of features. So you just focus on promoting your idea out to the internet as quickly as possible. So the product worth checking. To get Yep.so, please check my affiliate link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.